This is the walkthrough video for PCTC 2021-22, round 1 senior, and this is question 2, collision coding. Okay, so this is a pretty chunky problem statement, but if we decipher what it means, we essentially need to calculate something based on these two pairs of values, and then find the difference between that. Okay, so the first one is E. So let's say E1 is equal to int input, and then the brevity, so B1 is equal to int input again. And then we need to do the same thing, but for the second particle. So E2 is equal to int input, B2 is equal to int input. And now we need to calculate the uptake momentum. So let's just call that UM for uptake momentum. So UM is equal to UM1 for particle 1 is equal to E1 times B1. And similar idea for UM2. Okay, and now we essentially need to just figure out the difference between these two uptake momentums. So what we can do is we can either try and find the larger one and the smaller one and do what it says here, which is subtract the smaller one from the larger one. But that will require a few more if statements, and that's just a bit more complicated. So what we can do is we can use the absolute command in Python. And what this will do is it will do the calculation within the brackets. And then if the calculation ends up being negative, it'll turn that into a positive number. And if it's positive, it just keeps it positive. So this is quite a neat trick to find the difference between two numbers if you don't know which one is bigger than the other. And that works.